Hello everyone, welcome to our reflection on the last pillar of Flip Learning, Professional Educator. The Flip Learning Network defines this pillar as one of the most important and more demanding as well. And they says that professional educators are reflective in their practice, connect with each other to improve their instruction, accept constructive criticism, and tolerate controlled chaos in their classrooms. So during this week, we will reflect on our changes in our perspectives on the roles of teachers and learners. We are going to plan how to assess our learners' progress. We are going to continue reaching our flipped learning experience by collaborating with others by Twitter, Facebook, by connecting with the networks like the Flip Learning Network and the Flipped Global Initiative website. And at the end of this week, you are going to evaluate this session using the official email form provided for this purpose. So basically, the tasks you will have to complete during this week are read about the innovator's mindset by George Carras. You will find an excellent article written in his blog. And we are also to remind the difference between formative assessment versus summative assessment. Of course, we are going to reflect on our roles as teachers and our learners' roles in flipped learning. And you are going to share your reflections on a Padlet. And also, we are going to expand our personal learning network, as I told you, by joining us on Facebook and in Twitter, and of course following or connecting with the websites, the Flipped Learning Network and the Flipped Global Initiative website. And please plan to join us for the final live meeting. And at the end of the week, as I told you, please fill out the evaluation form to provide us with your feedback on this session. So I want to leave you this quote from The Innovator's Mindset by George Carras. Being a teacher is not a superpower. The way we teach is. It is the mindset you bring to your classroom and to your school that can change the world. So enjoy this week and see you next Sunday. Bye-bye.